Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. The mortgage business is just like most businesses. There is the retailer, the wholesaler, and the manufacturer. The exact amount of time it takes for a rate change to work its way from the financial markets to your local mortgage originator can vary from a few minutes to several hours. You have an advantage in a rising rate environment because there is normally a gap between the moment you receive a Rate Alert Now text message from me and the moment when the lower rate may no longer be available to you. Of course, it is important for you to work with a local mortgage professional who is available to accept your lock request by telephone on a moment's notice. The last thing you want to hear is a voicemail message, or later discover that the originator did not act instantly to hit the lock button on the wholesale lender's website. What most applicants do not understand is that there is always a 5% rate. It's just a matter of how many or how few points you will have to pay for that rate. It is also true that there is always a 4.875% rate and a 5.125% rate on either side of the 5% rate. Generally, 1/8% up or down from the middle rate is worth half a point. Even 1/8% increase in rate carries a serious cost to you. The half point, which I just mentioned, is worth $500 on a $100,000 loan. So, if rates rise on a particular day from 5% to 5.125%, what is actually happening is that the 1-point rate is now 5.125% instead of 5%. Therefore, if you still want the lower 5% rate, it will be 1.5 points, which will cost you $1,500, meaning $500 extra, using our theoretical example, to buy that 5% rate. You will note that the 4.875% rate on the chart is shown as 2 full points, also up half a point from its previous level. The beauty of this video tutorial is that you can play it again and again to look at the chart which was just on the screen in order to confirm your understanding of how the process works. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alerts to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back there each business day for my latest regular mortgage rate update.